Claude is now showing up inside Microsoft 365 Copilot. But is that the same as connecting Claude.ai to your Microsoft 365 data? Not exactly.
Claude and Copilot and the Claude Microsoft 365 connector are two different experiences with different workflows, controls, and costs. Let's look at the real difference. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. Option 1 is Claude inside Microsoft 365 Copilot. This is the easiest starting point for existing Copilot users. If your administrator has enabled Anthropic models and your tenant supports them, Claude may appear in supported Copilot experiences. Your team stays inside Microsoft 365. There is no separate Claude workspace, no new account to manage, and no new workflow to teach. But there are limits. Availability can vary by region, tenant app, license, and Microsoft's rollout. Claude may appear in some Copilot experiences before others. The available model choices may also be more limited than the full Claude model menu in Claude.ai. Think of this as Claude's capabilities delivered through Microsoft's Copilot experience. If Claude already appears in your model picker, this is the fastest way to test it with real work. Option 2. Connect Claude.ai to Microsoft 365 using the Microsoft 365 connector. With this setup, you primarily work in Claude.ai. Claude can search and analyze permitted information from SharePoint, OneDrive, Outlook, and Teams based on each user's existing Microsoft 365 permissions. The connector is available across Claude Free, Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans. However, Claude Team and Enterprise add organization-level features such as shared projects, centralized administration, and stronger team controls. For Team and Enterprise organizations, the Claude Organization Owner first enables the connector. A Microsoft Entra global administrator must then approve access for the Microsoft 365 tenant. Individual users can then connect their Microsoft 365 work accounts. After that, individual users can connect their Microsoft 365 work accounts to Claude, because the connector can process organizational content. It requires Microsoft Entra global administrator consent. Existing Microsoft permissions still apply, so users should only reach information they already have permission to access. For regulated organizations, IT security, compliance, and data governance teams should review the connector before enabling it. Claude and Copilot does not require a separate Claude subscription. The Microsoft 365 connector is available across Claude plans, so Claude Team is not required just to use the connector. However, businesses that need a managed team workspace may consider Claude Team. Standard team seats cost $20 per user per month with annual billing or $25 with monthly billing, with a 5-seat minimum. So which option fits your business? Start with Claude and Copilot when your team already uses Microsoft 365 Copilot and wants the simplest experience. Use the Microsoft 365 connector when users want to work in Claude.ai while searching and analyzing Microsoft 365 information. Consider Claude Team when you also need shared projects, centralized administration, and a managed team workspace. And use Claude's Office add-ins when you specifically want Claude directly inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Microsoft 365 quick skills. No fluff, just what helps you get more done.